In this video, I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the Direct Sound Extreme Isolation EX-29 headphones. Back when I started recording, we had Vic Firth headphones at Studio B, and they were okay, but they weren't really that comfortable. They really didn't isolate the sound completely from, the sound of drums from the click track or other tracks playing. So I was like, you know what, I want to try out a different model, different company. So I got the EX-29 headphones from Direct Sound, and I think they work better. I don't have any experience with any other headphones that are made for drummers, but I like this. Number one, it comes in this cool little bag that reminds me of a Crown Royal bag. So I'm going to take that out right now. Hold on. It's always harder to do this when you're on camera. So what I like about them, number one, it does come with a 1/4-inch adapter built in. And if you need an 1/8 inch one, right now my cable's tangled, but if you need the 1/8 inch one, it's available. Just twist it off, and there you go. Just like Sony headphones or whatever else. And another cool feature is the way you remember which side's which if you're using stereo headphones is right is red, and you can see this even on a dark stage, which is cool. The left one doesn't have anything, it's just black. So now in terms of sound quality, it sounds muddy, a little bit muddy, which is actually kind of good if, because when you have a muddy sound over a long period of time, a long period of recording, it's better for your ears that way. If you need more high end, what I do is just EQ. I put a high shelf filter on my output, the output that's going to the drummer, and get it that way. So, the headphones aren't anything fancy. They got the logo on the side, Extreme Isolation or whatever. And now the cool thing is if you end up breaking it, you can order just parts. Apparently it's easy to assemble this if it's broken. I haven't ever broken these, so I don't know. I actually use these more when I cut the grass. So that's how good they are. Like, they're even good enough for mowing the lawn. And they definitely get a lot of sweat, which is another nice thing. These headphones are not made out of cloth. It's like a pleather type of material. So, you can get a lot of sweat on them and then wipe them off and you're good to go. Any downsides? Well, the price has gone up over the years. They were cheap when I got them, and now they're not so cheap. So, but the price is one of the downsides. Now, is that necessarily a bad thing? You get a lot out of it. Number one, it's assembled in the United States, which is always a nice thing to support your fellow countrymen. And, the cable's a good length, which is always a plus. And, again, I don't know of any other headphones out there that may work as better than these. I was aware of some Sony 7506 headphones that had like water over them, which apparently reduced your decibel range, like I think 31 or 32 decibels. So like that's 3 decibels more than this. Is that really a big difference? It's a difference, but not noticeable, not so noticeable. So overall, based on, by the way, I bought these in like 2009. So I've had 8 years to use them, and I'm happy with the purchase. And also they work with SonarWorks Reference, which I haven't tested out yet with these particular headphones, but Reference does support this model of headphones. And but I would not use these for enjoyment. Like I said, the tone coming out of them is muddy. So if you don't have an equalizer on your media player, it's gonna sound muddy. But for drumming usage, it's very good. And does it completely seal off the sound? No. You're still going to hear loud drums, loud cymbals. You're still going to hear the vibrations coming through. You're still going to hear the, your jaw moving, which is another weird thing. But overall, if you can get them on sale, that's better, obviously. But for the regular price, I could not recommend the Vic Firth. I can recommend these. So save up some money is my best advice to get these, because for me, I've been happy, and that's about it. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com.